Hi children, all of you take out your workbook, volume 1 workbook, our second lesson, our clothes lesson. And today we will write our second lesson notes. Okay children, workbook, we will write workbook. All of you take out your workbook, page number 28. Our clothes, already explanation of this lesson completed, and I had told you to watch the animation also. Okay, after that, now we are going to write our workbook, to complete our workbook. Question and answers in the workbook, page number 28. Answer the following questions. In the page number 28, we are having the answer the following questions. Question and answers we are having. So what is the first question? Name the different seasons. How many seasons are there, children? In we already had learned about the seasons. Yes or no? So name the different seasons. So in first question is name the different seasons. We have to write the different seasons names. Already they had given 3 boxes there. Yes or no? First answer. In that box we have to write it. First answer. Summer season. Summer season. You write in that box, first box. Okay. Summer season. In the second box, you write winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. S-E-A-S-O-N. Winter season. Already we know what are the seasons. We are having 3 seasons. Summer season, winter season and rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. S-E-A-S-O-N. Rainy season. So in these 3 boxes you have to write this seasons names. Okay children. First question answer is name the different seasons. The first season is a summer season, winter season, rainy season. Okay. Summer season, winter season and rainy season. Write neatly children. And what is the second question? What type of clothes should we wear in summer season? In summer season, which type of clothes you will wear? Already we had learned which type of clothes we should wear in summer season. Which type of clothes? We should wear, second one, we should wear cotton clothes. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton clothes in summer season. We should wear cotton clothes in summer season. Okay children. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? They had question. We should wear cotton clothes in summer season. This is the second question answer. And third question. When do we wear a raincoat? When do we wear a raincoat? When do we wear a raincoat, children? Third answer. When do we wear a raincoat? What is the third question? When do we wear a raincoat? We wear raincoats in which season? When do we wear a raincoat? We wear raincoats in rainy season. Rainy season, or when it is raining, we will wear a raincoat. Yes or no? So what we will write means we wear a raincoats in rainy season. Okay. Next one. Fourth question. What type of clothes keep us warm? What type of clothes keep us warm? So, fourth answer. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay children. Woolen clothes keep us warm. What type of clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes keep us warm. Okay children. So after completing these 4 question answers, next fifth one. Am I erasing this one? All this write neatly children in your workbooks. So after writing this you have to read again. No? So you have to write very neatly. Am I erasing all these? Okay children. Third one and fourth one also I am erasing. Okay children, now fifth question. Why do people wear clothes? Why do people wear clothes? People wear clothes to protect. People wear clothes to protect their body. Yes or no? People wear. Why do people wear clothes? What's the fifth question? Fifth answer. Fifth question. Why do people wear clothes? So fifth answer is people wear clothes to protect their body. Protect their body from heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. Cold. And rain. So the fifth answer. Why do people wear clothes? People wear clothes to protect their body from heat, cold and rain. To protect our body we are wearing clothes. From where we are protecting our body? We are protecting our body from heat, cold and rain. Okay children, this is the fifth answer. And coming to the sixth question. What kind of boots do you wear in rainy season? In rainy season, which type of boots we should wear? Leather boots or rubber boots? Gum boots? Yes. We wear rubber boots in rainy season. We wear rubber boots in rainy season. Children, here rubber boots or gum boots, both are same boots only. Okay, anything we can write. So, what kind of boots do you wear in rainy season? We wear rubber boots in rainy season. Next, seventh question. Why don't animals need clothes? Why don't animals need clothes? Okay, children. Why don't animals need clothes? Animals do not, whether this place is sufficient or not. Children, why don't animals need clothes? Animals' body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. Yes or no? Animal's body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. So, they do not need clothes. Yes or no? Why don't animals need clothes? Animal's body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. So, animals do not need clothes. Okay children, why don't animals need clothes? Animal's body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. Okay children, so animals do not need clothes. Okay children, so this is the seventh answer children. After completing this, now I am again erasing these answers, fifth and sixth. Sixth one also I am erasing. Write me neatly children with good handwriting. Okay. So now this eighth answer. When does your father wear formal clothes? Already we had learned about the casual clothes and formal clothes. Yes or no? So now the eighth answer. When does your father wear formal clothes? So for that answer, what you will write? When my father. What's the question there? When does your father wear formal clothes? When do we wear? While going to the work or while going to the market, father wears formal clothes? Yes. When my father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. Yes or no? When my father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. Okay, children. So, 8th question. When does your father wear formal clothes? When my father goes to work, he wears formal clothes. And another type of clothes are there, casual clothes. When he goes to market, he wears casual clothes. Okay, children. So, these are the question and answers in this page, children. Page number 28. So, 1 to 7 question answers. All these question answers you have to read well. Okay, children. So, after completing this, I am erasing all these and we will go to the next page. All these are the question and answers. You have to read thoroughly all these question and answers. Okay, children. Next, the page number 29. The page number 29. After completing writing page number 28, all the question and answers 1 to 8, you take out page number 29. True or false? The first one is a true or false. Okay, children. True or false? The first one. 11 are there totally. So the first one. If whether it is a true, I will read out the statement. Whether it is a true means we have to write true. Whether it is a false, we have to mention there false. Okay, children. First one. It rains heavily in summer. Summer season lo manaki ekkuva rains ostayandi. It rains heavily in summer. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? The first one is a false. Write in that brackets. Okay. Second one. We wear warm clothes in winter season. In winter season we will wear warm clothes. Yes or no? Yes. True. The statement given there is a right. So we have to write true. Next. It is very cold in summer. In summer season we feel very cool. Yes or no? No. In summer season we feel very hot. Yes or no? So here the answer will be false. Next, fourth one. We put on raincoat in rainy season. In rainy season we put on our raincoats. Yes or no? Yes. In which season? Rainy season only. So it is a true. Next, fifth one. We feel hot in the winter season. Winter season lo manaki chaala vediga untadanta. Is it true? No, it is not true. In winter season we feel very cool. So here the question is, we feel hot in the winter season. No, false. Next, sixth one. Animals wear no clothes. Yes, does the animals need any clothes to wear? No, they won't wear any clothes. Why they won't wear any clothes? Because already in question answers also we had written. Because their body is covered with wool, fur and thick skin. Yes or no? So they protect their bodies from heat, sun, cold and rain, everything. So they do not need any clothes. So here sixth question. Animals wear no clothes. Yes, true only. They won't wear any clothes. And seventh one. We use umbrella in rainy season. Yes or no? We use umbrellas in rainy season. Yes, true. Next, eighth one. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Yes or no? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. True or false? True. Yes, we wear cotton clothes only in summer season. And ninth one. Leather shoes get spoiled when soaked in water. Leather shoes get spoiled when soaked in water. Yes or no? Yes, leather shoes will get spoiled. So the ninth question is, leather shoes get spoiled when soaked in water. Yes, true. They will spoil when they are soaked in water. Okay, children. So that is the ninth one. And gum boots are made of cloth. 10th question. Gum boots are made of cloth. Yes or no? Gum boots are made of cloth. No, they are not made of with cloth. They are made up with, gumboots are made up of with plastic and waterproof. So the answer is a false. Next, the 11th one. Woolen clothes keep us cool in summer season. In summer season, to keep our body cool, we should wear which clothes? Woolen clothes. Yes or no? No, we should not wear woolen clothes in summer season. Woolen clothes keeps our body warm. So, 11th question. Woolen clothes keep us cool in the summer season. No, the answer is false. Cotton clothes keep us cool in the summer season. Okay, children? So, these are the true or false, children. All of you note it down in your workbook page number 29. Okay. So, after completing these in the same page only, again we are having fill in the blanks. So, fill in the blanks. I am erasing all these true or false. Next we will write fill in the blanks. Okay, children. In the page number 29 only, fill in the blanks. The first one. The body coats protect the animals from dash, dash and dash. The body coats of the animals protect them from which they are protecting? From sun. Yes or no? Sun, wind. And already there only you have to write rain. Sun, wind and rain. Second one. We wear dash clothes to keep ourselves warm. To keep our body warm in winter season. Which clothes we will wear? Which clothes we should wear in winter season to keep our body warm? We should wear woolen clothes. Second one. Okay. Next, third one. Cotton clothes keep us. Yes, cotton clothes keep us cool. Next, fourth one. Never wear dash color clothes in summer season. In summer season, we should not wear one type of clothes. One color clothes. Which color is that one? Which color? Black color. We should not wear black color clothes in summer season. Okay. Next, we protect ourselves from rain by using dash and dash. In rainy season, to protect our body from rain, what should we use? We should use umbrella and raincoats. Okay, children. Next, sixth one. Darker colors absorbs more dash than light colors. Darker colors absorbs dash than light colors. Em absorb just the darker colors. They absorb more heat than the light colors. So in summer season we have to wear only light color clothes. So these are the fill in the blanks, children. So today 28 and 29 pages we completed. So what you will do means all of you complete writing this workbook page number 28 and 29. Okay, children. Okay, children. Next one will continue in the next class. Next pages 30 and 31 pages will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.